Hi, I am Dr. Sushmita Gupta from Pune. Today I am here in Taj Mahal city for my hair transplant course. I just want to share my experience with all of you because with Dr. Satya and Dr. Preeti I have just finished my course and I got that confidence to start my own practice. They teach you from basic to advanced. They tell you all the pros and cons of the hair transplant and they give you that confidence so that you can start your own practice. So always there is 100% thumbs up for Dr. Satya and Dr. Preeti. Thank you so much.